What if we told you that there's a brand new way that you can make $10 over and over and over again? As always, our method for today won't require any skills or experience. It's completely free, so you won't need to pay anything at all. You might think that $10 isn't a lot, but imagine earning a stack of that. Now, don't underestimate small bills, especially when they can grow really fast in a very short amount of time. People from literally all parts of the world are earning anywhere from $50 to $350 and even more every single day with the method that we're about to show you. These people are just regular, ordinary people who, just like you, are newly catching up on this secret strategy. Today is your lucky day because you've discovered this video and you're going to be a part of the very few people who've already discovered this video and who've already come out successful with our method for today, and we can't wait for you to see what lies ahead of you. Today we're going to be teaching you all the steps to today's method so that you can come out successful in the way that we promised. We're going to take you through the sign-up process, some real life examples, and the best thing ever, tips and tricks to make even things 10 times better than the original procedure. So make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method, and make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it's your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. So the first thing that we want you to be on is Pexels.com, and we've been here a lot of times before in this channel, so we're sure that you guys know what this website is or what it does by now. But if you're new to our channel and it's your first time hearing about this website, Pexels.com is a website that gives out free stock images and videos. So if you need any free videos or photos to use for a school project, a YouTube video, or whatever, then this is the place to be. This is basically what this website is or what it does. Now back to the process, we want you to look up black and white photos right here. As you can see, all of these photos are in black and white. They have no colors whatsoever, right? By using all of these photos is exactly how we're going to be making money online. This is the key to the best future ever. Next, we want you to go on colorize.sg, and as you can see, this website is supposed to colorize your black and white photos. For example, you have a black and white photo just like this. You can make it into this colored photo with this website, and if you scroll down, you'll see that you can upload your photo on this website to be able to put some color into the black and white, and then you can eventually sell those colorized photos anywhere from $5 to $20 and even more, and you barely had to do any work. To our newcomers, where are you guys from? We'd love to know, so make sure you comment that down below and let us know what you love about the channel so far. Now let's continue. Now we're going to be showing you how to do this exactly through a quick tutorial. We're going to be revealing a few websites that's going to pay you for the service in particular. But first, to be able to successfully to have your black and white photos colorized, all you need to do is click on this button right here. Then you'll be able to directly upload any photo that you want from your computer over here and choose what photo you want colorized, and then it'll immediately upload. As you can see, you have the freedom to drag out the color up until where you want it to be. For example, with this photo, you can put color up until half the photo or even just a fourth of it, and even the whole thing, which is pretty cool. And if you ask us, that is very amazing. So those are basically the basics of this website, so that you'll know how to correctly use it when the time comes that you have to. To download the photo that you've chosen to bring color to, you can easily click download right here, and it will easily download straight into your computer without any hassle at all. And you can even do this on your mobile phone if you'd like. Note that you can do everything that we just showed you for completely free. You won't even have to sign up on this website, which just makes things 10 times even better. Another service that you can provide is removing the background of a photo, and we've talked about a strategy like this before, but of course we have a completely different website on hand now, and it's so much better. It's called removed.bg, and this is what the website looked like. Now all you need to do is have a photo like this and drag however much background you want to keep and take out. It's so easy. You don't need to do anything manually at all because it's all in here. See? So to make use of this website correctly, just click on the blue upload image right here, and as always you have the freedom to choose any photo from your computer or phone, and that's whatever photo you've chosen. This website will automatically remove the background for you in a jiffy. To download the backgroundless photo, you can just easily click on this blue download button, and boom, there you have it, a backgroundless photo downloaded straight into your computer in less than a minute. I still did this for completely free and without an account, so you still don't need to worry about anything like that at all. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. Now into our website that's going to pay us for these services, we have Fiverr.com, and of course, to actually target the audience that we're looking for, aka the people who will be looking for our services and who'd be willing to pay us for our services, just type in the keyword colorized photo and you'll see people from all around the world selling this service. They pay you $5, $10, $15, and even $20 just to bring some color or some life into black and white photos. So to sign up, just look for the Become a Seller button, click on that, and that should take you to here where you can sign up for a completely free account. Just do as you're instructed by Fiverr, and before you know it, you're gonna find yourself in your account. You can post your services, post something like, I can turn your black and white photos into photos with its color again, something like that, put a price on it, and people would be willing to pay you just for their B&W photos turned into color again, so make sure that you use that to your advantage. Next we have peopleperhour.com, and now we want you to type in background removal as the keyword. Once again, you'll see all of the people who want backgrounds of their photos taken out, and they're willing to pay you to do just that. People are literally charging $15 to $40 just to take backgrounds out, and you can start earning in the same way too. Just look for the freelancer button, sign up like the normal person would sign up. Boom, you can begin posting your listings on here as well, and don't forget to include colorizing photos because the more the merrier indeed, and that is everything. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we upload a brand new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.